Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. It's heavy. What's up, man? Having fun? Your doors are heavy.
Yeah. I gotta get the hinges up.
Oh yeah, it'll start sagging. So could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Damn. I got 6 ZB515s and a 6 order. I got 3 Carbonator Audio 40.1s.
Wow.
And 0.4. 195 amp hour C-Max. And our 190 amp hour C-Max. Bad boy regulator. 2 Singer 320s. And CES 270 running in front of me.
Did you build this?
I did not build it. I got this from somebody that was already built by, I believe, Christopher Krause. And it wasn't finished.
Yeah.
And I ended up doing some work for it and ended up buying it from the guy. So
This looks good, man.
we getting it together.
Yeah. Did you do the paint job?
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah, we just got through doing
Yeah.
that.
That's good.
What was that? Last week. We've been.
Nice. Wow. You did a good job. I like it. Different type of build than your other one, for sure. The other one, I don't know, it's just a different build.
Yeah, the other one's just super low.
Yeah. This is sweet. Woo. Sorry. Excuse me. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. Really looking forward to showing y'all how this system sounds. It's a really impressive system Tim brought to the Summer Showcase show in Jacksonville, Florida area. Be sure to give him a thumbs up. Really nice install as well. I was really impressed with how much lithium, almost 400 amp hours of C-Max inside of the system, powering over 15,000 watts of amplifiers for the bass side and over like 10,000 watts on the 4 and 2 channel speaker and tweeter side. So this is a 6th order enclosure. If you didn't know, those 2 splattered back arrow ports, custom made, I'm going to guess they're an 8-inch arrow port. So this makes this a 6th order enclosure. Really unique style. Don't see this type of box layout with 4 subs up and then 2 subs facing forward into the cabin. And having that splatter layout design kind of hurt my eyes at first, but I actually kind of like it. A lot of work come into getting this system ready for the show. So be sure to give him a thumbs up and comment what you like about his system. I noticed he had a really nice flat end bass response between that front tuning and rear port tuning. So I did a really good job building it to the pretty much the enclosure specs of the vehicle. So it takes a lot of work to get this loud. If anybody didn't figure out, this is 15,000 watts on 6 15-inch subs. Those 5,000 watt RMS amps. He is pushing them to the limit because he was wired under half ohm each. So you'll notice he was babying them a little bit for the demo. So hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos coming your way every day and enjoy. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Looks really good.
It's gonna be a screamer. It's DJ Rusticles. it's hard not for me to blaze. To tell the truth, for sure was you in this booth that I was blazed. So I'm just sitting in the studio, just trying to get to you, baby. I'm just sitting in the studio, just trying to get to you, babe. But the song's so fucking dope, girl, it's hard not for me to blaze. To tell the truth, for sure was you in this booth that I was blazed. So I'm just sitting in the studio, just trying to get to you, baby. My weed and hit the yak.
It's the sixth order, so how low are you playing? That's clean, like it doesn't fall off.
Doesn't fall off.
It's just like every note, it's like within a dB or two. I don't know if you know what I mean. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Wow, you did a good job. I like it.
Thank you.
Different type of build than your other one, for sure. The other one, I don't know, it's just a different build.
The other one's just super low.
Yeah. This is sweet. I appreciate the demo, man. Awesome, thank you. Y'all stay cool. Oh, it's heavy. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.